Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Cash on Delivery, or COD, provides a convenient payment option for many Amazon shoppers, primarily for eligible items and locations. Amazon typically offers this choice based on a customer's past purchasing behavior and specific order details. Shoppers with a good history and in supported areas will usually see this option available at checkout. There are often maximum order value limits. For instance, orders exceeding 25,000 rupees might not qualify. Furthermore, items like large appliances or digital goods are generally excluded from COD payments. When you are ready to complete your purchase, navigate to your Amazon shopping cart and click Proceed to Checkout. After confirming your preferred shipping address, you will be directed to the payment method selection page. Here, if your order and location meet the necessary criteria, Cash on Delivery will be prominently displayed as an available option. Simply select this method, review your order summary, and then confirm your purchase. An important note: keep the exact amount ready when your delivery arrives. For sellers, there is no specific setting or toggle to enable or disable Cash on Delivery. Amazon automatically offers COD to eligible buyers as a service, integrating it seamlessly into the checkout process. Once a buyer selects COD, Amazon handles the entire payment collection upon delivery. After the transaction is successfully completed, Amazon remits the funds to the seller, minus any applicable fees. Sellers should focus on fulfilling orders efficiently, as Amazon manages the payment aspect of COD entirely. It is crucial to remember that Cash on Delivery comes with specific limitations. Orders often have a maximum value, like 25,000 rupees, which cannot be exceeded using this payment method. Additionally, certain items, such as digital content or specific product categories, are ineligible for COD. For a smooth delivery, always have the exact amount ready, as delivery partners may not carry change. Ensuring someone is present to receive the package and pay is vital to avoid delivery delays or cancellations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.